Welcome to our channel Salem Chutti Sisters. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon and click all option so that if we upload the videos, you will get the notifications.
4th Standard, Term 1, English. In this video, let us see the book back question and answers for the lesson Do It Yourself. Let us understand. Match their hobbies. As you can see, in these pictures, the hobbies of 3 persons are given. From this picture, you have to match their hobbies. So the first picture shows a girl who is riding a bicycle. This obviously means that the girl's hobby is cycling. Second picture. In the second picture, as you can see, a boy is watering the plants in his garden. So his hobby is gardening. In the third picture, as you can see, a girl is swimming. This means the girl's hobby is swimming. Choose the correct answer. First one. Dash is a do-it-yourself kid. A. Amudan, B. Vinod, C. Arasan. Yes, you are right. The answer is B. Vinod. Second one. Rosie dash a bicycle. A. Rides, B. Folds, C. Swims. Yeah, you're correct. The answer is A. Rides. Third one. Raju loves dash. A. Cycling, B. Driving, C. Cooking. Yeah, the answer is C. Cooking. Answer the following questions. Who sews the cloth? Yeah, you're correct. The answer is Alia sews the cloth. What does Meghalai do with elders? Yes, you're correct. The answer is Meghalai swims with elders in the well. Third one. How does Raju help his mother? Yes, you're correct. Raju helps his mother by cleaning the grains and cereals. Fourth one. What does a DIY kid refer to? Yes, the answer is it refers to do-it-yourself kid. Fifth one. What is your hobby? Yes, the answer is dancing is my hobby.
Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Like this video, there are more videos for 1st standard to 6th standard. If you're needed, you watch those videos from our channel.